Hey guys, we are back, and you guys can't see this, but I can. I have a cat with me. There's some noise. Well, this cat doesn't want to do some noise, but I have some good noise for you guys. Thank you guys so much for 31 subscribers. We are on the road to 40 subscribers. Whenever we reach 40 subscribers, I will be doing a fun experiment. So we are talking about the system that just came from Oklahoma yesterday and coming to the Carolinas, northern part of Georgia, South Carolina, and all of that. So for my map, I have a marginal risk in it, but the SPC Outlooks do not. For Charlotte, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, all the way up to all the way down to Union, South Carolina, and all the way up to Pittsylvania County in Georgia and Virginia. So let's go to the SPC Outlook. Well, I thought I could, but so this is the major section. I put mine a tad bit smaller, but I did add a marginal risk. Like, this was vital, but I made it, you could say, further up north and further down. Well, they have it further down south. So let's see tornado. Tornado outlook, there is a 5% chance for spots in South Carolina and the North Carolina border, and 2% mostly everywhere else. The southern portion of the Piedmonts of North Carolina, and then all the way down to Alabama. So hail outlook, whenever it loads. So I believe that's a 15% chance right around the mountains of the Carolinas. So what we are looking at is probably hail and wind and flash flooding. Flash flooding really cool in this area, in the mountain regions. And wind is literally the category. So let's go to the last thing but not least, the model. So this is 1 hour from right now. We can see somewhat, but it does go down far, so I do understand why they do show Mississippi. But let's go to our number 4. So it's now, you could say, crossing the Carolina-Tennessee border. And then like some spotty showers along these lines. And yeah. And then let's go to our number 8. Our number 8 is now in the Piedmont, and we can't see what it looks like just due to the thing, but we can see whenever it moves, and if I can get that off of our screen, that it's really strong. So thinking this band could push in, that's why I put this area as strong, and this area not really, because it might die down. This is just the model, it's not true, but it's as accurate as it can. And 2, this is milliliters per hour, not like inches per hour. Inches per hour would be, you could say, kind of high. So yes, I hope you enjoy. please leave a like. Thank you guys for 31 subscribers. I will do something special if we reach 40 subscribers. So yeah, bye bye.